In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Elevate to Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Elevate added to your Shopify store and be ready to explore its features. We'll move through each action slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to expect at every screen. Start by opening the Shopify website in your browser and signing into your store's admin. If you manage more than one store, glance at the store name in the top area to make sure you're working in the right one before you proceed. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand menu and click Apps. This is the hub where all of your existing apps live, and it's also where you can find new ones to add. Inside the Apps section, you'll see options to discover more apps. Use the search field to enter Elevate. Typing the exact app name helps you find it quickly. When the search results appear, select the Elevate listing. Take a moment to confirm you're opening the official app by checking the app name and overall presentation. A quick glance at the overview and details can help you understand what the app offers and whether it aligns with what you need. Next, click to open the app page and choose Install. Shopify may prompt you to review what the app can access in your store. This is standard for any app installation. Read through the permissions so you know what's being requested and continue when you're comfortable. The installation process is usually quick, and you'll see a loading screen as Shopify connects Elevate to your store. Once installed, you'll be taken into the Elevate app inside your Shopify admin. At this stage, feel free to explore the app. Many apps present a short onboarding tour or a setup page on first launch. Use that to get oriented. Look for a dashboard or home screen that summarizes key metrics or features. Check the settings area to see what you can customize and review any sections related to integrations, templates, or configuration so you understand the options available. If there's a trial or plan information, note the terms so you can evaluate the app properly. To return to Elevate later, just go back to the Apps section in your Shopify admin, where it will now appear in your installed apps list. That's all it takes. Open Shopify, go to Apps, enter Elevate, select it, click Install, and then Explore. You've successfully connected Elevate to your Shopify store and you're ready to make the most of it.